As mentioned earlier, the expression pedal actually works over a range that is made up of 127 increments. It is possible to use the active range settings to define at which range you want a particular parameter to change. This example sets up an instant wah, similar to the Morley Bad Horsey, so that as soon as the expression pedal is moved out of the heel down position, it will turn on and then off again when it is returned to the heel. To do this, press the Assign Variable button to enter the menu, and if the Assign 1 is flashing, press the Variable button a second time to make it active. Now, rotate the value wheel to select the wah on/off. Press the right parameter button and make the minimum setting off and the maximum setting on. Move right again and assign it to the expression pedal. The source mode should be set to normal. Next, we have our active range settings. Basically, the heel down position is 0 and the toe down position is 127. So in this patch, we want the wah to trigger on as soon as the pedal leaves the 0 position. So we need to make the active range high setting as low as it will go. In this case, it will be 1. Now, try the pedal. You'll see that the wah turns on as soon as you move it.